I started back modeling when I got in my 50s. I started off wanting to aspire women in my age category. I'm definitely an advocate of health and fitness, whether it's weight training, cardio. I can rock a bikini. It helps you feel youthful. You're able to connect with people.
Carla Kemp is not your typical 60-year-old. She radiates vitality, grace, and an unmistakable aura of youthfulness that could make any millennial envious. But what's her secret? Well, it all started when Carla unexpectedly lost her job of 10 years. But that's not all. There's a twist in the story that you won't see coming. Carla's secret to conquering aging is not just about exercise and healthy eating. It's something much deeper and profound. Something that will inspire you to redefine what it means to age gracefully. And if that's not enough to pique your interest, Carla will also reveal her top 5 secrets to stay in shape, each backed by science and her personal experience. So if you want to discover the fountain of youth and learn from a real-life example of how to turn adversity into opportunity, then stick around to the end. You won't regret it. When life threw Carla a curveball and she lost her job of 10 years, she didn't let it get her down. Instead, she used the newfound free time to share her personal passions on social media. And little did she know, it would set her on a brand new career path. Carla began posting about her exercise routine and healthy food choices, inspiring other women through her journey. As her following grew, she realized that she had found her calling, to motivate and inspire others on their fitness journeys. "I was basically just trying to inspire other women through my life," Carla said. And boy, did she succeed. Her brand Fab and Fit by Carla was launched and her life took an exciting turn. Now, she has established multiple streams of income, doing things she loves and inspiring thousands of women each day. Carla didn't start sharing her fitness journey on social media to make a career out of it. However, she continued to inspire thousands of women through her posts. She found herself on a new path toward becoming a successful influencer. Despite the challenges presented by the pandemic, Carla's online career combined with her modeling work and real estate investments supported her financially. When asked about her success, Carla humbly admits that staying up to date with technology and maintaining a professional image online can be challenging, but it's worth it. She doesn't have a specific long-term plan for her social media presence, but she's excited to see where her journey takes her. Her ultimate goal is to inspire women in particular to take care of themselves and be able to reverse the effects of aging. Using herself as an example, this fitness influencer said, "Sometimes I look in the mirror and don't even recognize myself. Oh my gosh, I look different." It doesn't happen that often, but it does happen, said Carla, who started her modeling career as a teen, took an extended break, and then returned to it after the age of 50. Carla's fitness routine is carefully crafted to target all the major muscle groups in her body, while incorporating some heart-pumping cardio. She is dedicated to her fitness goals, working out 6 days a week, with 1 day reserved for much-needed rest and recovery. Before diving into her intense workouts, Carla always starts with a thorough warm-up consisting of stretching and light cardio, like a quick jog or cycle. This helps prep her muscles for the upcoming challenging exercises. Carla's workout sessions are all about strength training, focusing on different muscle groups daily. For instance, one day she may work on her chest and arms, the next she may focus on her back and shoulders. Her exercises are nothing short of impressive, including bench presses, bicep curls, shoulder presses, and lat pull-downs, among others. Carla is a huge advocate of strength training, and this is due to the fact that after 30, we all gradually lose muscle mass, strength, and function. Carla advises people to stay fit after 30 through regular strength training sessions, which will help them to maintain balance, preserve bone density, and enjoy vitality and independence. When asked if one could still build muscle after 50, Carla had this to say: "Absolutely. While you may not end up with the rippling muscles of an action hero, you will still gain some tone at the very least. And not just to your arms. Strength training should also help enhance your legs, hips, back, chest, abdomen, and shoulders." When it comes to fueling her body for peak performance, Carla Kemp has got it all figured out. As a 60-year-old bodybuilder, she knows that eating the right balance of macronutrients is critical to keeping her muscles fueled and aiding in recovery after grueling workouts. To ensure she's getting the proper nutrients, Carla eats 5 to 6 small meals daily, each packed with healthy, whole foods. And boy, does her menu sound delicious. Just take a look at what she might eat on any given day. For breakfast, she'll whip up a mouth-watering omelet made with 3 eggs, spinach, juicy tomatoes, and creamy avocado, served with whole grain toast and a side of fresh fruit. It's a breakfast fit for a champion. When hunger strikes later on, Carla reaches for a protein shake made with whey protein powder, almond milk, and a ripe banana. This is the perfect snack to tide her over until the next meal. At lunchtime, she'll enjoy a juicy grilled chicken breast, served with nutty quinoa and medley of colorful vegetables like crunchy broccoli, sweet carrots, and zesty bell peppers. When she needs another pick-me-up in the afternoon, Carla digs into a creamy Greek yogurt with juicy berries and a handful of crunchy nuts. Dinner time is another opportunity for Carla to nourish her body with delicious whole foods. She loves to bake salmon to flaky perfection, then serve it up with roasted sweet potatoes and a fresh side salad. Even after all that, Carla's not done yet. Before bed, she'll indulge in a yummy snack of cottage cheese with juicy pineapple chunks. Of course, Carla knows that staying hydrated is just as important as eating right. That's why she drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep her muscles functioning at their best. By sticking to a healthy whole foods diet, Carla is able to maintain her strength, energy, and overall health, proving that good nutrition truly is the key to living a healthy, active lifestyle at any age. Carla Kemp has mentioned in interviews that she practices mindfulness and meditation to maintain her mental well-being. She has also emphasized the importance of self-care and taking time for oneself, whether it's through exercise, reading, or spending time with loved ones. Additionally, she has spoken about the importance of seeking support from others when needed, whether it's through talking with friends and family or seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. Speaking about gray hair, Carla had this to say: "I wear my hair naturally. I'm not trying to conform to any way of what society might feel beauty is, so my hair is worn in a natural state, and I also embrace my gray hair. So I think maybe some women might have a little discomfort in that." According to her, being natural is among the reasons she stands out on social media. She also added, "I'm very comfortable and love how I wear my hair in its natural state without adding color. I mean, it's just a reflection of my personality, meaning that, I'm not really going to be confined, or I'm not going to be judged by my hair. I'm just going to be myself, and either you're going to like it or you're not. And I'm okay with that." When it comes to staying in shape, even as a senior or a young person, Carla has the following recommended tips. Number 1, prioritize strength training. At 60, Carla says, "I incorporate strength training in my routine because if I fall, I have less chance of an injury. It's important to me that I stay active and healthy while aging. Strength training is one of the ways that help me live my best life." A recent study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine examined data on almost 100,000 adults with an average age of 71. The study took place over nearly a decade and found that those who reported doing a regular cardio and strength training had a dramatically lower risk of premature death. Study participants who completed 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity and did weightlifting at least once or twice a week were 41 to 47% less likely to die early from any cause except cancer. Number 2, take baby steps and do not rush things. According to Carla, most people new to fitness make the mistake of trying to rush things. Instead, she advises people to take baby steps and slowly and steadily lose weight. Number 3, stay active. Carla works out 6 days a week, with 1 day dedicated to rest and recovery. She also recommends incorporating elements of cardiovascular exercise into your routine, such as jogging or cycling, to keep your heart healthy and improve endurance. Number 4, stay hydrated. Carla knows that staying hydrated is just as important as eating right. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep her muscles functioning at their best. Number 5, set goals and track progress. Carla recommends setting fitness goals and tracking progress to stay motivated and on track. Whether lifting heavier weights, running a certain distance, or losing a certain amount of weight, having a clear goal in mind can help you keep focused and motivated.